I teach my children to brush teeth properly. I teach my children to brush teeth properly. I cook dinner for my family every night. I cook dinner for my family every night. I lovingly hug my children every day. I lovingly hug my children every day. I encourage my child to exercise daily. I encourage my child to exercise daily. I usually eat breakfast at 7 a.m. I usually eat breakfast at 7 a.m. I feel satisfied after eating breakfast. I feel satisfied after eating breakfast. Chocolate makes me feel excited. Chocolate makes me feel excited. I ride my motorbike daily. I ride my motorbike daily. I enjoy baking cakes. I enjoy baking cakes. I am milking the cow. I am milking the cow. I go to the doctor sometimes for routine checkup. I go to the doctor sometimes for routine checkup. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I help my children with homework. I help my children with homework. I clean my house every day. I clean my house every day. I go for a short walk. I go for a short walk. I talk to my family happily. I talk to my family happily. I buy fresh vegetables daily. I buy fresh vegetables daily. I keep my room neat. I keep my room neat. I read a book at night. I read a book at night. I wash my hands before eating. I wash my hands before eating. I take care of my children. I take care of my children. I spend time with my family. I spend time with my family. I prepare lunch in the kitchen. I prepare lunch in the kitchen. I water the plants daily. I water the plants daily. I check my phone sometimes. I check my phone sometimes. I sit with my children. I sit with my children. I go to bed early. I go to bed early. I feel happy with my family. I feel happy with my family. I share food with others. I share food with others. I help my neighbors sometimes. I help my neighbors sometimes. I enjoy simple life moments. I enjoy simple life moments.